Hello everyone, this is BattleKnight and today I'll be teaching you how to use El Primo Super in Brawl Stars. When your opponent uses their super, pre-aim your jump to dodge it while attacking your opponent. Pre-aim when the circle around them lights up. Failing to do so might cost you the game. Whoops! Save your super for throwers behind walls. When they use all their ammo, go for the kill! Look at their health and damage to see if they're level 7 or higher. Trigger their gadget before jumping. Now you're getting the hang of it. Be patient. Don't use your super before you know. Remember, look before you leap. Wait, someone is cheating in Map Maker? Hold on to your super until the end. Don't fall into their tricks or you might slip. Good luck with Primo now.